Early this morning, Wayanad was hit by several devastating landslides. More than 70 people have been killed. Mundakai village has been cut off, and the devastating loss of lives and extensive damage is yet to be assessed due to the scale of the tragedy. I have spoken to the Honourable Defence Minister and the Chief Minister of Kerala. I request the Union Government to extend all possible support for rescue and medical care, immediate release of the compensation to deceased people, if that compensation can be increased as well, restore vital transport and communication lines, set up relief at the earliest, and prepare a roadmap for the rehabilitation of the affected families.
Okay.
Even as I speak, the threat of landslides looms over many areas in Wayanad and the western Ghats. Our country has witnessed an alarming rise in the landslides in the last few years. There is an urgent need for mapping of landslide-prone areas and to take up mitigation measures and an action plan to address the growing frequency of natural calamities in the ecologically fragile region.
Heavy rains triggered massive landslides in Kerala's Wayanad district early Tuesday, resulting in over 56 fatalities and raising concerns about potential additional casualties. Major landslides struck Mepaadi, Mundakai town and Choralmala, killing at least 56 people. More than 70 people were hospitalized due to the disaster. The landslides occurred in the early hours, catching residents off guard while they slept. Emergency services, including the Indian Army, National Disaster Response Force, NDRF, police and fire force are working around the clock to rescue survivors. District Collector Meghashri DR reported that the death toll includes 36 individuals from Choralmala and 9 bodies swept away by the Chaliyar River, recovered in Malappuram. The deceased have been transported to various hospital morgues for identification and autopsy. Affected villages include Mundakai, Choralmala, Attamala and Nulpuza, which have been cut off by the landslides. Rescue operations are ongoing, with the Indian Army joining the efforts. Hundreds are feared trapped, though exact numbers remain unconfirmed. Distressing phone calls from trapped individuals highlight the severity of the disaster. State Revenue Minister K. Rajan confirmed over 70 injured individuals have been hospitalized. The Kerala government has requested Indian Army assistance. A defense PRO stated that a 43 personnel team, including a medical officer and soldiers, has been deployed to aid in rescue operations. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed his concern and assured Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan of the centre's support. The landslides caused significant destruction, with houses destroyed, water bodies swollen and trees uprooted, hindering rescue efforts. The shutter of Banasura Sagar Dam has been opened and residents downstream are advised to remain cautious. Plans to airlift people from the Mundakai area are being drawn up. In a Facebook post, Chief Minister Vijayan announced that 2 Air Force helicopters will depart from Solur to assist in search and rescue operations.